Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find location tags. You can easily switch this feature just like this. Add text to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.